Hi guys, so how to fix Snapchat camera full screen? First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and now all what you want to do is very simple. Wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. Now click here on force stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the camera permission. Go back and then click down here on the home page. Go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Snapchat like this and update it from here. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.